Imagine an ancient artifact of divine power and mystery, lost to the sands of time. The Ark of the Covenant, this sacred chest, carved from acacia wood, is said to have symbolized God's presence amongst the Israelites during their wilderness journey. As described in the Bible, the Ark was believed to possess mystical powers, serving as a symbol of divine protection and often accompanied by miraculous events. Its enigmatic allure is intensified by the fact that its whereabouts have been a subject of speculation for centuries. Theories range from it being hidden in a secret chamber beneath the Temple Mount in Jerusalem to being taken to Ethiopia, where it is still revered by the Ethiopian Orthodox Church. The Ark of the Covenant, a symbol of divine protection, is shrouded in enigmatic lore that continues to captivate us. This artifact, blending history, religion, and mystery, has long held a powerful grip on human imagination, and its allure persists, a testament to our enduring fascination with the unknown. Beyond biblical accounts, the Ark's mystique is enhanced by untold stories and legends. Its presence in popular culture, such as in the film Raiders of the Lost Ark, has certainly heightened its intrigue. In the movie, the Ark is portrayed as a powerful artifact, capable of unleashing divine wrath, a testament to the many legends that surround it. Stories are rife about its supernatural abilities, from granting victory in battle to causing calamities to those who disrespect or mishandle it. But the Ark's legends don't stop at its extraordinary powers. There are tales of mysterious guardians, individuals or groups who have protected the Ark throughout history, ensuring its secrets remain hidden. These guardians are often depicted as brave and unwavering, adding another layer of fascination to the Ark's lore. These tales, whether fact or fiction, add to the Ark's enduring allure. The Ark's elusive nature has led to fascinating conspiracies and speculations. Some of these theories venture into the realm of the extraterrestrial. The Ark's otherworldly powers and advanced construction have led some to believe that it may not be of earthly origin at all, or perhaps it's an ancient artifact of superior technology, lost in time. Venturing further into the labyrinth of speculation, we encounter theories connecting the Ark to secret societies. The Knights Templar, a medieval Christian military order, and the Freemasons, a fraternal organization steeped in symbolism, are often linked with the Ark. These groups, known for their secrecy and rituals, are rumored to have safeguarded the Ark through the centuries. And then there are whispers of government cover-ups. Some suggest that the Ark is not lost but hidden, kept secret by governments to prevent chaos or misuse of its purported power. These theories, while unproven, fuel the intrigue surrounding the Ark. Despite centuries of speculation, the Ark continues to elude us, but recent discoveries offer new insights. Documentaries such as The Ark of the Covenant Unveiled, a centuries-ancient mystery solved, have delved deep into the artifact's history and speculated on its possible locations. But perhaps one of the most intriguing theories comes from an unexpected source. Frederick Rogers, a 1930s engineering dean. Rogers meticulously studied the Ark's construction as detailed in the Bible and came to a startling conclusion. He believed the Ark's design mirrored that of an electric condenser, specifically a Leyden jar. The Ark, made of acacia wood and lined with gold, resembled this early electricity storing device. Even the cherubim on top, Rogers hypothesized, could form the positive pole of an electrical circuit. Whether or not these theories hold water, the Ark of the Covenant remains a testament to humanity's enduring fascination with the unknown. We hope you subscribe for more interesting stories and see you next time.